it's your girl Chelly May, and welcome back to my channel for all of my returning subscribers. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you know every time that I do post. And y'all, it's September, so I had to get myself a little something for my birthday, because you know my birthday's on the 15th. So let's unbox my new bags. Okay, so I went to Coach. I actually went to the Coach outlet in Grand Prairie. There are a ton of Coach stores. Which one is this? Okay, we'll do this one first. No, we'll do this one first. I'm sorry, there are like several Coach outlets around the DFW area. And yeah, I wanted a specific bag, partially for the Chris Brown concert, but I ended up with two because they didn't really have what I needed in store. So let's open the first one. So the first one is this beautiful all black terry shoulder bag, okay? Like, stop. So I did want this in a different canvas. This is like the leather one, which I love. Is it real leather? I don't know. Possibly. But I did want this in the other design that I got, but they didn't have it inside, like in this size in store. They only had it online, and I needed it like the next day. So I went with the all black because it's just so classic. Like, it goes with everything. Oh, she's so cute. Like, the perfect bag, especially since I quit my night job and now I will have time to go out and go places. So I need a cute little bag. Yes, it's time to retire the Lulu crossbody. And then this does also come with a longer handle. See, I haven't used this yet. So yeah, we will get this out of the wrapping. Ooh, and it's adjustable. So yeah, this is adjustable, so got all the plastics, right? Gold hardware. I pretty much only wear gold jewelry. That's why I got my nose piercing gold. But yes, a longer strap if I need to use a longer strap. She's so cute and so spacious. Like, let me get all the stuffing out. Literally the perfect size. This is what she looks like inside. She was perfect size for the Chris Brown concert. She is Globe Life friendly. Okay, if you're going to a baseball game or any other event at Globe Life Field, we love her. Bag number 2. So this one is the mini terry and with the classic CCs, okay? I love the C's. Classic for Chelly, okay? Stop playing. She's super cute. So she's a little bit smaller than the other terry, like the main size for size comparison, if you're wondering. But she's super cute. I'm actually going to use her tonight, so I'm going to dinner and my dress is brown. So let's open her up. She also comes with a longer strap. Oh, she almost fell off the counter. Have not used. Let's get this thing open so you can take a look at her too. And I just love the color of this bag. I love how it's brown and black, so you can use it either color. And also it's like a nice nude bag. Okay, the strap is black on this one, and that coincides with the black on the side of the bag. Sorry, my light is like blinding me, so I'm like, what does this even look like? But yeah, so that coincides with the black on the side of the bag and the brown CCs. My battery on my camera is literally dead, so we'll wrap this up. But this is what it looks like on the inside. Cute little thing. I love her. And I love neutrals. I'm a dark neutral girly, so like blues, blacks, browns, grays. I'm not really like a tan or beige girly, but yeah, I'm in love with my new bags. Happy birthday to me, to your girl. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to my quick little unboxing of my bags. And happy birthday to me. Make sure you write happy birthday in the comments, okay? But until next time, y'all, it's your girl Chelly May.